Hello, everyone.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English listening podcast.
We are very happy to have you here today.
Thank you for listening while you are cooking, studying, driving, walking, or relaxing.
Today's topic is very simple and very useful.
Yes, today we will talk about.
A walk around my neighborhood.
That sounds nice. I like walking around my neighborhood.
Me too. Walking is good exercise, and it is also a good way to practice English.
That's true. You can learn many useful words about places and directions.
Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy learning English with us.
Your support helps us make more easy English lessons for everyone.
All right, are you ready for a walk?
I am ready.
Great, let's go.
Wait, I need my shoes.
And maybe a bottle of water.
And maybe a snack.
A snack already? We just started.
Walking makes me hungry.
All right, let's begin.
Imagine that you are walking with us.
Yes, walk with us and practice your English.
Okay, we open the front door.
We step outside.
The weather is nice today.
The sun is shining.
The sky is blue.
There are a few white clouds.
Can you repeat after us?
The weather is nice.
The weather is nice.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining.
Very good.
Now we start walking down the street.
A street is a road in a town or city.
Street.
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 Excellent.
There are many houses on this street.
Some houses are big.
Some houses are small.
Some houses have gardens.
I love gardens.
Me too.
I can see flowers.
What flowers can you see?
I can see red flowers.
Very nice.
I can also see yellow flowers.
And pink flowers.
The neighborhood looks colorful.
Neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
Neighborhood means the area where you live.
Can you say it?
Neighborhood.
Great job.
Oh, look.
What is it?
A cat is sleeping near the fence.
The cat looks very comfortable.
Maybe the cat is enjoying the sunshine.
Maybe the cat is having a very important meeting with the sun.
A meeting with the sun?
Yes, the sun says, please continue sleeping.
And the cat says, thank you. I am very busy sleeping. Do you have cats in your neighborhood?
Tell us in the comments.
Now we continue walking.
On the left, there is a small park.
A park is a wonderful place to relax.
Children are playing in the park.
Some children are running.
Some are playing soccer.
Some are riding bicycles.
Listen carefully.
The children are playing.
The children are playing.
The children are running.
The children are running.
Very good.
Can you hear the birds?
Yes.
The birds are singing.
Birds often sing in the morning.
Their songs are beautiful.
Sometimes birds wake me up very early.
Do you like that?
Sometimes, yes.
And sometimes no.
Especially on Saturday morning.
The birds say, wake up.
And I say, please come back in 2 hours. Now we leave the park.
Across the street, there is a bakery.
Oh no.
Why no?
Because I can smell fresh bread.
Fresh bread smells amazing.
Very amazing.
Too amazing.
Sometimes I go into the bakery for one loaf of bread.
And then
I leave with bread, cookies, cake, and pastries.
that sounds familiar.
The bakery is dangerous.
Dangerous?
Dangerous for my wallet. Can you repeat?
There is a bakery.
There is a bakery.
I can smell fresh bread.
I can smell fresh bread.
Excellent.
Next to the bakery, there is a coffee shop.
Many people are sitting outside.
Some people are drinking coffee.
Some people are talking with friends.
Some people are reading books.
The coffee shop looks cozy.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, but not too late at night.
Why not?
Because then I become an owl.
An owl?
Yes, I stay awake all night. Coffee is powerful.
Now we keep walking.
At the corner, there is a bus stop.
Several people are waiting for the bus.
Some people are looking at their phones.
Some people are talking quietly.
Some person looks sleepy.
Maybe it is too early.
Or maybe that person needs coffee.
Good idea.
Can you repeat?
People are waiting for the bus.
People are waiting for the bus.
The bus stop is at the corner.
The bus stop is at the corner.
Wonderful.
Now we arrive at a grocery store.
A grocery store sells food and daily items.
Inside the store, we can buy milk,
Bread,
eggs,
fruit,
vegetables,
rice.
and maybe ice cream.
Ice cream is important,
Very important.
especially in summer.
What is your favorite flavor?
Chocolate.
Good choice.
What about you?
Chocolate with more chocolate.
That is a lot of chocolate.
There is no such thing as too much chocolate.
Many people agree with you.
Now let's continue our walk.
We pass a school.
Students are entering the building.
Some students are laughing.
Some are carrying backpacks.
Teachers are greeting students.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you say it with us?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Very nice.
Schools are busy in the morning.
And quiet at night.
Very quiet.
Almost too quiet.
Like a library after bedtime.
Does a library have a bedtime?
Maybe. Now we reach the community center.
People come here for classes and activities.
Some people learn art.
Some learn dancing.
Some learn cooking.
I would join the cooking class.
I would join the eating class.
I don't think that class exists.
It should exist.
You may be the teacher.
I accept this important job.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Now we turn right.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Good.
Then we walk straight.
Walk straight.
Walk straight.
Excellent.
Then we turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Very good.
These phrases are useful for directions.
Turn right.
Turn left.
Go straight.
Repeat them often.
They are very useful.
Oh, look.
What do you see now?
A dog is walking with its owner.
The dog looks happy.
Its tail is moving quickly.
Maybe the dog is thinking about snacks.
Dogs often think about snacks.
Honestly, I also think about snacks.
You think about snacks a lot.
It is one of my hobbies. The dog says hello.
Hello, dog.
Woof.
Very good pronunciation.
Thank you. I practiced for years.
I can tell.
Now we arrive at the library.
Libraries are wonderful places.
You can borrow books for free.
You can study quietly.
You can read stories,
Books can take you anywhere.
even without leaving your chair.
That is the magic of reading.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite book?
Now our walk is almost finished.
We are returning home.
The sun is lower in the sky now.
The neighborhood feels peaceful.
Walking around your neighborhood is a wonderful activity.
You can exercise.
You can relax.
You can meet people.
You can notice beautiful things.
And you can practice English.
Let's review today's key phrases.
The weather is nice.
The weather is nice.
There's a park.
There's a park.
There's a bakery.
There's a bakery.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Go straight.
Go straight.
People are waiting for the bus.
People are waiting for the bus.
Wonderful work, everyone.
Your English is improving every day.
Keep listening.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking English.
Even a few minutes every day can make a big difference.
Thank you for walking around the neighborhood with us today.
We had a wonderful time.
Before you go, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And tell us in the comments,
What can you see in your neighborhood?
is there a park,
A bakery?
a school,
A coffee shop?
or maybe a very sleepy cat?
And maybe an important snack expert like me. See you next time, everyone.
Take care and keep learning English.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.